कहते हैं कि खूबसूरती की हर कोई तारीफ करता है। आज आप बड़ी प्यारी लग रही हैं और इस खूबसूरती के लिए अगर आपकी कोई तारीफ करे गाना गाकर तो क्या चाहेंगे आप?
Okay, that's a good one. I think जो गाना ओम शांति ओम में फारा ने मेरे लिए क्रिएट किया था, आंखों में तेरी अजब सी, I think
तो कुछ एक लाइन हो जाए आपकी तरफ से।
Why don't you should be आप मेरे लिए गाइए प्लीज।
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं।
I think no one could have done it better than the way Shah Rukh did it for me in Om Shanti Om. So.
Of course not. I get radiant fairness that lasts, even in the sun.
Neutrogena Fine Fairness Cream.
Good afternoon, everyone, and it feels great to be associated with Neutrogena, a brand that is confident yet approachable, young, fun, vibrant, and I think the most important aspect and part of Neutrogena is the fact that it's science combined with beauty, and the fact that it's backed by dermatologists, so I think that just makes it more credible. Definitely a brand that I use personally and vouch for, so thank you so much for being here. Firstly, I think beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. The physical beauty, I think being a beautiful person from inside is more important than the physical aspect. But apart from that, I think everyone is beautiful. I think everyone's created God a certain way. And then of course you have products like Neutrogena that you use to enhance your beauty. I personally believe that the lesser you do for your skin, the better. I've never really done too much to my skin. I like keeping it natural and not fidgeting too much with it. So no home remedies for me. But yes, of course, drinking lots of water, it's like magic. So can try that. I had to do a lot of research on it. It's a product that I use, and when you use a product, you're familiar with it, you know it works for your skin. Yeah, but normally with my other brands also, yes, I try, and obviously you endorse brands that you connect with and you feel a connection with. You don't just endorse a brand because then you have to talk about it.
Well, Deepika, we just wanted one more reaction. Ranbir was at an event earlier today, and he mentioned that he doesn't, when someone asked him about the rough patch that you're going through, he said that I don't really care what people say, I don't really care if I've broken up, so we just want a reaction from you.
You know, I think a lot has already been said, so I think the lesser the better. You guys go ahead and y'all can say whatever y'all want to say, that's fine.
आपकी नई हेयर स्टाइल के बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे, ये this is the new look, तो ये किस लिए specially?
For my next release, Karthik Calling Karthik, which releases in February. I cut my hair long time back actually, but I never really revealed the look. So I thought this was the right opportunity and the right moment to sort of reveal the look. I think there was a picture earlier in some other publication as well, but personally I never revealed the look, so here it is.
कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक में सुना है कि आपने बहुत सारे बोल्ड सीन दिए हैं, तो क्या ये असर न्यूट्रोजिना का है?
I think it was misprinted or misquoted. It's not, there are no bold scenes, and neither is my character bold. She's a very confident girl. So I think confident was misunderstood and printed as bold. There's a difference. So Shonali's character, she's a very confident person. She's more like the girl of today.
Are you happy at present?
I've been smiling throughout. I don't look happy?
That could be acting also, no?
Thank you for thinking that I'm such a great actor.